Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In this HMI tutorial, I will explain you how to deal with multi-language project. So let's begin. So I am at my home screen in HMI, right? So I will go into the languages and resources, and in this I will select this project languages, and here I have multiple language. So I'm gonna select the Spanish, and then I will go up in the project tree and I will select the runtime settings, and in this window I will make sure that I have selected the language and font, this option, right? And then I'm gonna make sure that I have checked the Spanish language that I have recently added, and then I'm gonna go back to my home screen. I can go it from here, the shortcuts, and from here as well, right? So here I will place a text first. I'm gonna place a text and I will write here English text, because I want to explain you, if you have a text written, then how you can switch between two languages, right? So I will go into the properties, right? I have these general properties where I can change this text, but I will go into the text option. So here I have English and Spanish, so I'm gonna write here Spanish text in Spanish column. Okay, and then I will go into the task on this right bar, and then I will go into languages and resources, and from here you can switch between the languages. So I have two languages. This is Spanish text right now, and this is English text. So you can switch between the languages from here as well, and also in the simulation I will show you later. And then I will place a button here in order to explain you how to toggle between two languages from a button, right? So I'm writing here English toggle, and in the simulation when I will press this button, the entire screen will change the language. So for that I'm gonna do some settings. So I will go into the properties, and again I will go into the text. So I'm gonna write here English toggle in the English column, and in the Spanish language column I'm gonna write here Spanish toggle, right? And here as well, Spanish toggle. Okay, I will go into the events. I will go into press events, and in the add function I will drop this down, this menu, and in this menu I will go into the settings and I will select the set language. I have a drop down option for the toggle, but I will keep the toggle. Okay, and then I will select my HMI comfort panel and select the simulations. As soon as I turn on the simulation, I can switch between different languages, Spanish and English languages, by pressing this toggle button, right? So right now this is Spanish, this is English. So that's how we deal with multiple languages in an HMI project. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.